Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how simply and easy to download and install TeamViewer on your PC. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, and I promise you that's gonna be a very quick tutorial. And yep, let's not waste any more of your time. Let me show you how. First, open your browser and search for TeamViewer like this, and open the first link, and here it appears the official site of TeamViewer. So if you want to download it, just click on download for free. So now actually it's automatically downloading. Wait, but I've already downloaded because I don't want to waste your time, and here it is. So when it's ready, just click on run, wait a few seconds, and here is it. So yeah, check on this default installation, accept, next, wait a few seconds again, and check on this. I want to use the free version for personal use. Click on finish, and it's here. You've installed it, I mean. And that was how easily and simply to download and install TeamViewer on your PC. I told you it was a quick tutorial, so if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't hesitate to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. And see you next video. Bye.